Today's Wednesday, May 25th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado air ride leveling compressor intake tank combination unit. This is for my friend George Pfeiffer in Austria, and this will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is the second video in a 2-video set showing the final fully assembled embodiment of the unit, and this is some of the individual components that exemplify the restoration process. And however, it's better depicted in video number 1 that shows all of the components laid out across the bench. So everything has been completely disassembled, all worn parts replaced, replacement diaphragm, replacement seal. As the 2 primary units, the surface has been climatized. The primary compressing head has been surface ground to a 10 microfinish, which provides a seal across the A and B portals as the oscillating distributing valve reciprocates and differentiates in a bidirectional motion the piston plunger inside the compressor head. So this is a vacuum driven as opposed to electrically driven. This is a vacuum driven compressing motor that in the front head of the unit provides the compression and fills up the reservoir tank. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, May 25th. Thank you very kindly.